Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the description, this video will be strictly about me installing my wig. I'm not an expert, but I do know how to help myself. And if you want to see how I slay my wig, then continue watching and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the blow dryer to blow dry my cap. You want to get a scissors and you want to cut the cap. So I'm going to start in the middle. Okay, so you want to make sure you trim any excess cap. So now I'm going to use the boulder hole liquid gold to make the cap even more flat at the front bit. Now I'm going to take some foundation and I'm going to apply it on the cap. For this step you can use powder or you can use foundation, you know, it's just whatever you feel to use. So I'm going to take it on my hand. That's it. So now you want to get some alcohol to clean up the edges before you apply your glue. You want to make sure you fix the wig before you apply the glue. Okay, so I'm going to use the bolt hold again for my glue, and I'm going to only do one layer. Like the one layer can last me about 3 to 5 days, and that's alright. So I'm going to do one layer, and I'm going to start in the middle. So now I went ahead and I blow dry it for about 3 to 5 seconds. So the side tend to give me problem to stick, so I use the Got2b spray. Oh gosh, I'm trying to blame myself there. But anyways, yeah, I use the Got2b spray to spray on the areas where I want to stick down the most, which is the sides. So if you have excess lace like this right here, you can go back over it with some more of your glue to lay it down. Okay, so now I'm going to tie this bit down. Alright, so I'm going to take this off. Okay, so now I'm going to straighten this. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use the wax. Wax is something that you need when you are wearing a wig, so that it can help to lay the wig down flat, along with the hot comb. You need a hot comb as well to help it to lay flat. So you want to be careful here, because this is a hot comb and it's hot. Don't want to be burning your forehead, so you gotta take your time, making sure that it's gonna lay down. So you see it's coming along. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys. Okay guys, so now I'm going to attempt some baby hair. make sure. Take out the amount. Alright, so I'm going to use my mousse to lay my baby hair down. So I'm going to do a little bit because I don't want to cause the lace to get lifted. Remember, I'm not really good at making baby hair, so you know, like I said, I'm not a pro, but I can help myself. Okay, so this is what I did. I mean, it's not looking bad, but obviously it's not the greatest, but I will rock with this, to be honest. So this is basically it. I've done 3 baby hair this side, and I've done 2 this side because obviously this side is a little bit shorter than this side. But yeah, I mean, it's not looking bad, but obviously with time I will improve my skills, you know, and become a pro. But on that note, I will continue watching my YouTube videos and catch my practice. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go and slay my face, and I will be right back once everything is done, and I'll show you guys the final look. So guys, this is the final product. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Don't forget to hit that notification so that you're notified whenever I post. And can we appreciate the slay? I mean, it's not looking bad for a drugstore makeup. Not looking bad.